How to use the DEGIRO app. Follow my instructions. If you want a simple way to start investing with low fees, the DEGIRO app is one of the best platforms available in Europe. Here's how to use it step by step. First, download the DEGIRO app from the App Store or Google Play. Open it and tap Create Account. Enter your personal details and verify your identity with ID and a selfie. Once verified, connect your bank account for deposits. Now open the app and explore the dashboard. You'll see tabs like Portfolio, Markets, Orders, and Search. Tap the search icon to look for stocks, ETFs, or other assets. Type in a company name like Apple, or a ticker like APL. Tap the asset to view its chart, performance, and basic info. To buy it, tap Buy. Enter how many shares you want. Choose order type like market or limit. Then confirm the order. Your new investment will now appear in your Portfolio tab. You can track gains and losses in real time. Use the Markets tab to see global market activity, and the Orders tab to view past or pending trades. DEGIRO also gives you fee info before every order, so you know the exact cost. Now you're ready to invest smart using the DEGIRO app in 2025. Thanks for watching.